Hi children, welcome. Today in Bhartrhari Subhashitani we are going to learn Shloka 5 and 6. Okay. In your exam paper, question number 1, you are going to get from Bhartrhari Subhashitani and 1 out of 2 slokas is to be answered. That means 2 slokas will be given. You have to write 1 sloka. Weightage is for 6 marks. Okay. In this question, beginning and ending of a stanza will be given and you need to complete the stanza and write with the summary and introduction. Subhashita Sloka 5. Simhasishurapi nipatati madamalina kapola bhittishu gajeshu prakrutiriyam satvavatam na khalu vayastejasam hetuhu. सिंहः शिशुरपि निपतति मदमलिनकपोलभित्तिषु गजेषु प्रकृतिरियं सत्त्ववतां न खलु वयस्तेजसां हेतुः. Here Simhah Shishurapi. In this Shishurapi, Shishuhu, Api. 2 words are there. Okay. Nipatati Madamalina-kapola-bhittishu. 1 word Gajeshu. Okay. This Gajeshu describing word is Madamalina-kapola-bhittishu. Prakrutiriyam. In this again 2 words are there. Prakrutihi Iyam. Prakrutihi Iyam Prakrutiriyam. Satvavatam na khalu vayastejasam. Vayaha tejasam. Vayastejasam. Okay. Hetuhu. This is the sloka. In this sloka, the poet Bhartrhari is comparing a brave person's aspire with a lion cub. We will see the word meaning. Simhaha, a lion. Shishurapi. In this Shishuhu Api 2 words are there. Shishuhu means a cub or young one. Api means even or also. Nipatati attacks or pounces upon. Even a lion cub attacks. On whom? Answer is Madamalina Kapola Bhittishu Gajeshu. On whom? Gajeshu. On elephants. Which type of elephants? That means this Madamalina Kapola Bhittishu word is the describing word for Gajeshu. Okay. Mada means rut. Malina soiled. Kapola cheeks. Bhittishu sides or on the walls. So, what is the meaning of this first line? Even a lion cub attacks on wild elephants whose temples are wet with rut. Understand? Now, here the second line, Prakrutihi, nature, Iyam, this one, Sattvavatam, of the brave or of the courageous. This is the nature of the courageous people. Na, not, Khalu, indeed, or certainly, Vayaha, age, Tejasam, of valor or strength, Hetuhu, cause. That means, indeed, age is no criterion. Okay. Age is no criterion for one's prowess or greatness. Okay. Age is no criterion for one's greatness or prowess. Understood? The introduction for Bhartrhari Subhashitam 5th sloka also similar to previous slokas only. This stanza is taken from the lesson Bhartrhari Subhashitani written by Bhartrhari. He lived in 57th BC. He wrote 3 Shatakas, Niti Shatakam, Sringara Shatakam, Vairagya Shatakam. In these Shatakas, each stanza is an independent one. Hence, these stanzas are known as Muktakas. Present lesson is an extract from the Niti Shatakam. After writing the introduction for this sloka, then you need to write that sloka. Simhas Shishurapi Nipatati Madamalina Kapola Bhittishu Gajeshu. This, after writing this sloka, summary. We need to write the summary. We will see the summary. Bhartrhari says, greatness has nothing to do with age. Okay. Even a lion cub attacks a wild elephant whose temples are wet with rut. It is the nature of the brave to aspire for the highest goal in society even when young. Indeed, Age is no criterion for one's greatness or prowess. Okay. Now we will see the next sloka, Subhashita sloka 6. Danam bhogo nasastisro gatayo bhavanti vittasya yo na dadati na bhunkte tasya tritiya gatir bhavati. Danam bhogo nasastisro gatayo bhavanti vittasya yo na dadati na bhunkte tasya tritiya gatir bhavati. We will divide the words. Danam, bhogaha. Bhogo if you divide, bhogaha. Nasaha, tisraha. Here two words are there. Nasaha, tisraha. Okay. Gatayo again, gatayaha. Nasaha and tisraha. After that, gatayaha. Here bhogo became bhogaha. Tisro, tisraha, gatayo, gatayaha. Bhavanti vittasya. Yo again yaha. Na dadati. Na bhunkte. Tasya. Tritiya. Gatir bhavati. Divide. Gatihi bhavati. Gatir bhavati. If you divide. Gatihi bhavati. Word meaning. Danam. Charity or giving. Bhogaha. Bhogaha means enjoyment or use. Nashaha. Destruction or loss. Tisraha, 3. Gatayaha, ways or destinies. Bhavanti are there, become. Vittasya, of wealth. So what is the meaning of the first line? There are 3 ways for the wealth. What are those? Danam, first one is giving others, donating others and helping others. Danam, charity. Bhogaha, self-enjoyment, to use the money for self-enjoyment. Nashaha or destruction. These 3 ways are there for money. Then second line, yaha, who, na, not, tadati, gives. That means those who are not doing charities, not helping others. Okay. Not, not, bhunkte, enjoys. Those who are not using money for themselves, not using for their enjoyments also. Tasya, of him. Tritiya, third. Gatihi, course or fate. Bhavati, becomes. That means the money is having 3 ways, 3 destinies. Either giving charities, using for helping others, or for using themselves, means enjoying themselves. If these 2 are not used, that money will be destructed. That means here those who are not giving charities, those not using themselves, then their money will get third way. That means it will be destructed. Understood? The introduction part of Subhashita Sloka 6th also same. This stanza is taken from the lesson Bhartruhar Subhashitani written by Bhartruhari. He lived in 57th BC. He wrote 3 Satakas, Niti Satakam, Sringara Satakam, Vairagya Satakam. In these Satakas, each stanza is an independent one. Hence, these stanzas are known as Muktakas. Present lesson is an extract from Niti Satakam. After writing introduction, you need to write the sloka and summary. For this Danam bhogo nasastisro gatayo bhavanti vittasya sloka, summary is charity, enjoyment and destruction are the 3 ways for money. Okay, a person who does not donate or enjoy, his money takes the third path. That means that money will be destroyed. Understood? Thank you.